Hi, my name is Reshma. I am coming from Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in EEE in 2019 from SNS College of Engineering. I was searching for a job in IT companies, but unfortunately, I was not getting success. So I tried a lot. Afterwards, I Technoserve Private Limited. I come to know Aviation Technoserve Private Limited is an IT recruitment and job consultancy company. Then I have decided to join this job internship to enhance my knowledge in IT field. After joining this job internship, I got a real-time work experience and also experience in core technology like networking basics, Windows administration, Linux administration, cyber security, Windows troubleshooting, ITIL, Outlook, etc. We have different trainers for different modules like Roshan sir, Tarun sir, Rahul sir, and so many staffs are there. In networking, based on so many things like basics of networking, types of networking, virtualization, and the process of devices and the different types of protocols are learned from the networking basics. And the main thing I learned in networking basics is how to create VM in VMware software. Then I come into Windows administration. In Windows administration, I learned so many things practically as well as theoretically, such as operating systems, GBT, MBT, how to create an administrative account, how to create a user account. Then I learned the process of domain controller, ADS nothing but active direct domain controller, FTP is nothing but file transfer protocol and different password policies, Windows Server 2012. And I learned the different process and the subjects of desktop management and also device manager driver, how to take backup of Windows OS by using recovery driver, how to secure a drive using BitLocker encryption, and the process of domain joining. Then I learned how to install OS in domain network, WDS, DHCP configurations also I learned. Then at the main Windows administration learned about the mailing process. The mailing process is nothing but MS Outlook, and also learned different protocols in Outlook like IMAP, STMP, POP, PST and OST. Then I learned the automatic and manual process of the mailing systems. In CCNA also I learned so many good practicals and theoretical subjects such as basics of networking, basics of IP addressing, CIDR concept. Then also I learned DHCP, HSRP configuration, different cables on the networking system. Then I learned the process of subnetting and the types of, and also the WAN technologies and NAT and their types. Then I learned about access control list, that is nothing but ACL, and also learned service that is nothing but switching concept like VLAN, and also that inner VLAN routing, and also trunk encapsulation protocols, dynamic trunk protocols, VLAN, etc. And the main configurations are learned from the CCNA, that is configurations, static routing, dynamic routing, and the configurations like RIP, EIGRP, OSPF also learned from CCNA. Then I learned the process of VTP, STP and iOS concept. About the process of troubleshooting, which is nothing but it used to resolve all the issues like black screen issue, then driver issue, system hacking issue, receiving and incoming, outgoing and receiving mail issues, and also that backup and install PST issues, which all these are studied under the CCNA concept and also troubleshooting concept. In cyber security, about the overview of cybersecurity, what is hacking and the types of hacking and the types of cybersecurity, and the job profile also learned from cybersecurity. And also I learned the process of Google hacking database, scanning, gaining, and also system hacking, and also that I learned about password cracker also learned. Then in scanning there are different types of scanning like half open scan, full open scan, X-Men scan. These topics are covered under this cyber security. Now I can say I am 100% confident about all the practicals which are covered under this internship. It is really helpful for me in IT field. In every weekend, we are having mock interview or presentation on a topic which are covered the past week. These mock interviews are really helpful for me to gain confidence and come to know how to explain or express our knowledge in the interview, and got to know what is my mistake and which portion I am weak. After a mock interview, I tried a lot to recover and resolve my mistakes. Then now I feel so confident and ready to face the real-time interviews, and I'm ready to face the real-time issues after working in a company. Now I'm ready to face all the interview process, and I'm so confident I'm gonna to crack the interview at first attempt. And also I'm really thankful to Aviation Technology Private Limited to make my knowledge so better and make me so confident in the IT field. I'm really thanking.